Garlic has been used for centuries not only as a flavorful ingredient in cooking but also for its potential health benefits. Here are some of the powerful health benefits associated with garlic. 1. Rich in nutrients. Garlic is low in calories but high in nutrients. It contains notable amounts of manganese, vitamin C, vitamin B6, selenium, and fiber. 2. Antioxidant properties. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 3. Heart health. Garlic has been linked to various heart protective effects, including lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving blood circulation. Regular consumption of garlic may lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Immune system support. Garlic has antimicrobial and antiviral properties that may help strengthen the immune system and fight off infections like the common cold and flu. Some studies suggest that garlic supplements can reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Garlic contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. 6. Improved digestive health. Garlic may promote digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. It may also help alleviate digestive discomfort and improve nutrient absorption. 7. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including stomach, colon, and prostate cancer. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic may play a role in cancer prevention. 8. Detoxification. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support liver function and promote the body's natural detoxification processes. Including garlic in your diet may help eliminate toxins and waste products from the body more efficiently. 9. Improved athletic performance. Some research suggests that garlic supplementation may enhance athletic performance by increasing endurance and reducing fatigue. It may also improve exercise-induced fatigue and recovery. 10. Brain health. Garlic contains compounds that may have neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. While garlic offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it as part of a balanced diet. Incorporating fresh garlic into your meals is the best way to reap its health benefits, but garlic supplements are also available for those who prefer them. As with any dietary supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Consuming garlic on a usual, in food or raw, helps to lower cholesterol levels owing to the antioxidant properties of allicin. It's conjointly vastly useful to control blood pressure and blood glucose levels. It's essential to recollect that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties once garlic is cooked whole. It's imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. Garlic is one in all the most effective unbroken medicinal treasures of the past era. It has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections for the last 7,000 years. Studies recommend that diluted garlic extract helps youngsters with tapeworm infections. A garlic-based mouthwash may not sound like fresh, minty breath, but a very small quantity of its extracts is sufficient to ward off cavity-causing bacteria. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied locally, garlic will work wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It's conjointly a good remedy for athlete's foot and ringworm. When it comes to strengthening the immune system, garlic emerges as a true superhero in our quest for optimal health. As a world health expert, I am excited to unveil the remarkable immune-boosting properties of this humble herb. Garlic's antimicrobial properties make it a potent ally in fortifying our immune defenses and protecting us from common illnesses. Numerous studies have highlighted the immune-modulating effects of garlic, demonstrating its ability to reduce the severity and duration of illnesses such as the cold and flu. By incorporating garlic into your daily diet, whether through cooking or supplementation, you can tap into its immune-boosting potential and give your body an extra line of defense. When it comes to matters of the heart, garlic has long been celebrated as a powerful ally. As a world health expert, I am excited to delve into the heart health benefits that garlic offers. Scientific studies have revealed that incorporating garlic into our diet can contribute to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, ultimately reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Garlic's heart protective effects can be attributed to its active compounds, including allicin and sulfur compounds. These compounds work in synergy to promote the relaxation of blood vessels, known as vasodilation, which improves blood flow and reduces the strain on the heart. By enhancing blood circulation, garlic helps maintain optimal blood pressure levels and supports overall cardiovascular health.